Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
A triangular field is shown in the diagram below. Calculate the area of the field and give your answer to the nearest square meter. So we have to calculate the area of the field and then we have to do the necessary rounding as well. We can say that the area is equal to a half times A times B multiplied by the sine of C. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to label this triangle appropriately. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So what is the value of A? The value of A is going to be 31.2. So I'm going to write 31.2 in the place of A, and then I have to multiply it by B. What is the value of B? It's 18.4. What is the value of angle C? The value of angle C is 58 degrees. So I'm going to write down sine of 58 degrees. Now, if you punch this into your calculator, you will get a value of 243, or 0.423, and so the value goes on, right? But in the question, they asked, give your answer to the nearest square meter. That means the final answer is going to be 243 squared meters. So there is your final answer.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.